Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. Now SEBI legal notification will come next month. It is expected next month. According to advance intimation, 13th April को notification आ जाना चाहिए था, but due to elections it was delayed. Now today is 13th of May. Elections will be concluding on 4th of June. उसके बाद notification कभी भी आ सकता है. So you have somewhere 3 weeks before the notification, maybe a little bit more. और उसके बाद आपकी exam dates भी आपको पता चल जाएंगे. यूजुअली एंड लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो एग्जाम नोटिफिकेशन के बाद फेज 1 तक लगभग 40-45 डेज होते हैं. एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, जून 2022 को नोटिफिकेशन आया था लास्ट ईयर एंड फेज 1 एग्जाम वाज ऑन August 5, 2023. नाउ वेदर दिस विल बी द सिनेरियो दिस ईयर और नॉट, वी आर नॉट श्योर, क्योंकि एडवांस इंटीमेशन ऑलरेडी आउट है. तो हो सकता है इस बार आपको 45 डेज ना देकर हो सकता है 25 to 30 डेज मिल जाए. फॉर्म फिल करने का टाइम ऑब्वियसली मिलेगा समवेयर 2-3 वीक्स और हो सकता है उसके एकदम बाद आपका एग्जाम हो जाए. सो आई होप यू आर नॉट वेटिंग फॉर द नोटिफिकेशन टू स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. इन एनी केस जून में नोटिफिकेशन आएगा तो जुलाई में आपका एग्जाम होगा ही. It could be a week earlier or it could be a week later. I hope you are already aware about the eligibility of this exam. Bachelor's degree in law is required from a recognized university. This is mandatory. अगर आपके पास 2 साल का experience है, that is desirable. That is not mandatory. Freshers are also eligible. In fact, final year students are also eligible. Those students who have already appeared for their exams till the last date of notification are eligible for this exam. तो अगर आपके एग्जाम्स मई या जून में खत्म हो जाएंगे, आप एलिजिबल हो इस एग्जाम के लिए. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स, हाउ इज योर प्रिपरेशन गोइंग ऑन? आई होप इट इज गोइंग ऑन वेल. आपके पास मार्च 13 से इंफॉर्मेशन है दैट सेबी लीगल विल कम. सेबी का एग्जाम होने वाला है. If you are still wasting your time and you are going to miss this opportunity, then you will start asking next notification कब आएगा, and I cannot give you a date for that. So please be aware, make the best use of your time, don't waste your time, don't procrastinate. You can go for your preparation of phase 2 first. Notification आने के बाद भी आपके पास टाइम होगा. अगर आपका फेज 1 स्ट्रॉन्ग है और आप QRE GA पेपर 1 हैंडल कर पाओगे तो आप फेज 2 की प्रिपरेशन कर लो. Else go for both phase 1 and phase 2 preparation together. कुछ टॉपिक्स phase 2 के और कुछ phase 1 के एक साथ कर लो. You can check out the success stories of last year candidates. You can look at their strategies. Mrinal was one candidate who had taken our course and he just cleared this exam right after his graduation. He was a fresh candidate. May June में LLB खत्म हुई थी and in June the notification came and he cleared the exam. And same was the case with Raghavendra also. There were students last year who cleared this exam right after their graduation. So 2-3 months if you have in hand and you are fully dedicated to the preparation of this exam with smart study, you can clear this exam. If you have any queries, you need any form of guidance, do mention them in the comment below and I'll try to answer them through my videos. If you want any guidance material, study material, mock test, MCQ booklets, descriptive question booklets, you can check out our course. You can reach out to us on this number to know more about the course offering. That's all for now. I hope this video gives you an alarm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.